Oh my goodness. On this tiny rod. G'day, it's TimWanderer. So early, it's only 4 o'clock. It's the first time taking the boat out to a new place called the Rous Channel. Many of you probably know it. And it's full moon tonight, very calm weather, so I'm expecting big fish. I don't know, you know me, when I say things like that I usually jinx it. Special guest today, I'm taking my dad out for the first time on this new boat. Newish boat. So I'm very excited, can't wait. See you out there. Alright, here we go. We actually got stuck there last time just next to the green marker because there were so many boats in between this channel. Now we're good. I'm gonna try trolling. .2 and there's definitely fish in there. First cast in Rous Channel. Trying to get some live bait as well, which is this contraption, which is always difficult. 7.4 meters, so that's okay. Yep. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to try bottom bashing and see how we go. Hello. Oh, there's, oh, same thing. Yeah, I'm going to give this a try. Looks cute, there we go. And then soft plastic. Small thing again though. Oh my god. Same thing. Yep. Oh, here we go. Here we go. 你想你嘅先啦，如果咪黐住晒。哦，走咗。Homemade burley with some fish oil. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that's a fish. No. Oh wow. Yep, won't be long. Oh my god, this is it. This is a big fish. 你上你嘅線先，上你嘅線先。I might have to drive the boat there. Oh my god, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. OK， 兩條上晒呢個嘢，唔好揈嚟揈去，因為我要開船啊。Oh my god. On this tiny rod, it's going to be a day before I get it back. Oh my god. What is it? Tuna, mackerel, sharks? 30 pounds leader. Let's hope it's good. Oh my god, my god, my god, my god. 快手快手，我要開船。哦，冇咗。會有一個你都喺度。上咗嚟啊！甩咗 hook 㗎，今次係。又係嗰隻嘢啊？Yeah。 See you, Patrick. We've been here about 2 hours now. We've caught nothing but grunters or greeners. We're gonna head into what they call the Fisherman gutter. Yeah, we see how we go in there. Same line. Greener galore. Man, what is going on? 哎呀，我一條啦。Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. 個螺旋槳冇事嘅，有冇事啊？冇事冇事。個螺旋槳冇事就得啦。Okay. Just wait. 你幫我睇下嗰邊係咪出咗嚟？啊，出咗嚟啦！出咗嚟。Oh my god. Okay, mate. Luckily, it's not the metal that coils the motor, it's the rope. Managed to get it out, so now let's see. Okay. Alright, that sounds okay. Let's go forward. Oh. Goodness, it works. Lesson learned. Always check your anchor before anything, eh? What's that? Hey, one. Got one crab again. Oh, just one. Nah, 11.4. So no, chuck it back in, please. Thank you. Doing the right thing. Anyway, that's it. That's one day at Rous Channel. Never been here before, but at least now we've done the round, we know what to bring. I had a good day with my dad. He's never been on the boat before, so we're gonna do more of this in future. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like, share and subscribe button. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye. Is it a video or? Yeah. Can you take some photo of that?
Millie and Coco out.
No, wait.